Vocational education and training at present is being imparted through polytechnics and industrial training institutions, etc. Full stop. Nursing schools and commercial training schools are also associated in these activities. Full stop. Within the school system, vocational education is given at plus 2 stage. Full stop. The data regarding engineering, non-engineering trades and students is available. Full stop. Paragraph change. There is also a centrally sponsored scheme of pre-vocational education at lower secondary stage. Full stop. It was launched primarily because of the fact that more than 90% of the student population does not go beyond class 10th, thereby creating a large segment of unskilled labor force. Full stop. Under this scheme, training is imparted in simple marketable skills to students of class 9th and 10th so that the students may develop interests and aptitudes for vocational courses at higher secondary level. Full stop. Paragraph change. A central institute for vocational education has been set up to provide technical and academic support to the program. Full stop. Linkages are being sought with the industry, vocational and technical institutions so that no trainee remains unemployed after training. Full stop. These measures will ensure speedy progress in providing technical education to the needy people. Full stop. Close.